Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video I will be removing my K&N washable and reusable air filter, and I will be replacing it with the OEM Suzuki paper filter, and I will be doing this on my 2007 GXXR 1000 Super Street Bike. Now you may be asking, why am I replacing the K&N with a paper one? Well, the last time that I had cleaned the K&N was 10.5 years ago, and yes, that is a lot, but I only put 6,030 miles on the bike since that last filter cleaning and reinstallation. So today I'm going to show you how to replace, well, you don't have to replace, but let's say if you have a paper one in there, this will still work. So I'm going to show you how to install the paper filter, or if you have a K&N, you can just follow along and it's the same exact it's the same exact way. Now, I did purchase a new breather element. I purchased this from Chaparral Motorsports. The breather element was, hang on a second. Okay, the air filter is $35.77 and the breather element was $8.50. You can also purchase it from motorsports.com. The filter is $45.99 and the breather element is $37.88. And the part number for, I'll give you the part number also. So the part number for the air filter is 13780-41G00. The breather element is 13788-21H00. So I got the breather element. Now you don't really have to replace the breather element every time, but it's only like $5, so might as well. And here is the air filter. Looks red. I mean, it is red. Kind of looks like a K&N. Has a screen on top. I personally think the paper ones probably filter better than the K&Ns. I know, I always thought K&Ns were the best, but I don't know. Maybe they're not. So anyway, what I'm going to need to do is get the prop rod out of the trunk. So this holds up the tank. Then I need to remove the tank screw. And make sure you don't drop the washer down in there because it might be a bitch to get out. Now, I did just install a Rakoven steering stem GPS mount on here, so I got to remove that now because this is where the prop rod goes into. I did loosen all these yesterday before I got set up for the video. Okay, so where's the prop rod? Oh, and I gotta also remove the seat. I could have probably did these ahead of time, but I just want to show you the whole process. And then you got these things here to remove. And then you take the prop rod. And now I need a Phillips screwdriver. There's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 9 screws in here. I'll probably speed this up during the editing. Okay, so now here is the air filter, well, the K&N air filter. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty. This is what the clean one looks like. So 6,030 miles on this with 10.5 years. Now what you're also going to want to do is to vacuum this out, and maybe if you want, wipe out these tubes right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get some paper towels and do that. You probably don't need to wipe these out, but I figured, what the heck. I'll go ahead and wipe this out first. Then I'll go ahead and get the vacuum cleaner. And what you're going to want to make sure you do too is vacuum out where the gasket sits. Make sure there's no crud inside there. Okay, and here's the breather element. This is pretty crummy, in case you want to see it. It actually fell apart, so I better vacuum that out too. Okay, so this is what the original breather looked like, and here is the new one. So this one definitely, it was time to replace. All right, so you just pop in a new breather element. Just like that. Take the filter. And that's it for that part. Now what you do is take the filter lid, set it back in place. Just like that. And where's the screwdriver? Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten them all back up. Okay, that's it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together. First thing I gotta do is to reinstall this piece here. And now for the tank screw. Go ahead and put the GPS mount back on the, woohoo, almost lost that washer. Okay, now I have to put the seat bolts back in. Well, that's it, folks. That is how you change out an air filter on a 2007 GSX-R 1000 Super Street Bike. If you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and the bell icon, and you get notifications when new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button underneath the video, and anything I get goes right back into my channel so I can do stuff to my bike, my truck. And I guess that's it. Oh, there should be some bloopers, so stay for those. I always put them at the end of my video. Well, that's it. And I will see you next video. Safe driving, and may your motorcycle suck in clean air. And don't wait 10 years to change the air filter. especially the breather element. This thing fell apart. So anyway, that's it. See you next video. Bye. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, put my feet on the tape. Tuck in my shirt. All right, I don't feel too fat today. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I will be removing my K&N washable and reusable air filter. Son of a biscuit. With a stock Suzuki OEM filter. I will be replacing this in my 2007 GSX-R super street bike. Last time I cleaned it was dang it. Wait, what did I do? I cleaned it. I washed it. Here we go. But anyway, first I'm going to show you what's in the filter. What's in the filter? I'm going to show you what's in the package. Okay, let's do it one more time. I think I got it. I'm going to be switching that out, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So, I'm going to show you what the K&N filter looks like. I also bought, it's not a K&N, Jesus, freaking crapola. Okay, one more time, and this is it. And that's it, folks. That is how you change. That is how you change out. Let's see. Dang it.